Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Phantom 4 is probably one of the most anticipated drones in the market, boasting an incredible array of features that redefine aerial photography and videography, making it a top contender for both professionals and hobbyists seeking unparalleled performance and cutting-edge technology in a user-friendly package. Number 5. DJI OM 4 SE Gimbal Stabilizer. Instantly attach your smartphone and enjoy perfect filming on the go. Its magnetic design allows for fast, easy phone attachments, letting you capture smooth footage whenever inspiration strikes. This gimbal stabilizer is foldable and incredibly lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. It's the perfect creative companion for any adventure. Tracking subjects is easier than ever with its intelligent feature. It recognizes people and pets and can automatically follow them. Apply creative templates for stunning videos in just a few taps. Let it do all the work for you, so you don't have to spend time editing. Never post a shaky video again. Its powerful 3-axis stabilization technology keeps your smartphone steady for footage with cinematic smoothness. Control it with simple gestures for super convenient recording wherever you go. From snapping a selfie to beginning a video recording, the power is in your hands. What we like. Feel the pull of instant attachment with its magnetic design. This gimbal is foldable and incredibly lightweight, making it your perfect creative companion on any adventure. If you're looking for effortless, smooth footage on the go, especially for vlogging or social media content, this is the one for you. What people say. The responsiveness of Gimbal 3 is unlike any other I've used. It flawlessly interprets my movements into smooth cinematic gestures, making it feel like an extension of my own body rather than a cumbersome tool. Battery life is another standout feature. Gone are the days of constantly checking the power level or carrying around bulky backup batteries. Gimbal 3 provides ample shooting time, ensuring I can focus on my creativity rather than worrying about when the device will die. The magnetic attachment is strong and makes it easy to attach and remove the phone without having to think about it. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 Ultralight Drone. Weighing less than 249 grams, this compact and convenient drone fits in the palm of your hand. It's the ideal travel companion, ready to transform how you capture memories. Capture breathtaking content with its 12MP camera and 4K video. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures consistently smooth footage, no matter how adventurous your flight. Experience up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission with excellent anti-interference. This allows you to fly farther and see your surroundings with remarkable clarity. Enjoy a max flight time of 31 minutes, giving you ample time to get the perfect shot. It can also resist level 5 winds and take off at high altitudes, ensuring stable footage. Get your dream shot without getting too close, thanks to the 4x digital zoom. This feature makes transitioning between shots safer and more convenient. With just a few taps, automatically record and shoot professional-level videos ready for social media. The intuitive app helps you produce impressive results with soundtracks and filters. What we like. Pack light and fly free with this ultralight and foldable drone. It features a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal for stunning, smooth footage, plus an impressive 31-minute flight time. If you're a traveler or an aspiring aerial photographer who wants to capture breathtaking landscapes with ease, this drone is an excellent choice. What people say. The Phantom 4 has an amazing camera that captures stunning aerial footage with incredible detail and clarity. Its intelligent flight modes, like Active Track and Tap Fly, make it incredibly easy to capture professional-looking shots, even for beginners. The extended flight time of up to 28 minutes allows for longer aerial explorations and more comprehensive coverage of your subject. Number 3. Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Propeller Mounting Plate. Introducing the propeller mounting plate for your Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian. This essential part ensures secure and stable flight. You'll receive 2 clockwise, CW, and 2 counterclockwise, CCW, plates. This provides a complete set for your drone's needs. Properly installed, these plates contribute to the overall stability and safety of your aircraft during operation. This is a high-quality replacement part designed specifically for the Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian. Ensure your drone is always ready for takeoff. Designed for straightforward installation, you can quickly get your drone back in the air. Keep your equipment in optimal condition. What we like. These are essential propeller mounting plates specifically designed for the Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian. They ensure secure and reliable attachment of your propellers for optimal flight performance. If you own a Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian and need replacement parts for maintenance or repair, these are the perfect fit. What people say. The Phantom 4 is a fantastic drone, easy to fly and with a great camera. I love the Phantom 4, it's so stable in the air and the video quality is amazing. The battery life on the Phantom 4 is impressive, I can get about 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 2. WSF2 Pack 15.2V Intelligent Flight Battery for DJI Phantom 4 Series. Keep your DJI Phantom 4 flying longer with these intelligent flight batteries. Enjoy extended aerial adventures without interruption. Each battery boasts a 5,870 mAh capacity, providing ample power for your drone's needs. Get reliable performance for every flight. These batteries are specifically designed for a range of DJI Phantom 4 models. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal compatibility for your drone. Benefit from intelligent flight features that enhance safety and performance. Monitor battery status and manage power efficiently. This 2-pack offers a convenient and reliable replacement solution. Keep a spare ready to go, ensuring you're always prepared for takeoff. Experience seamless integration with your drone. These batteries are built to work harmoniously with your DJI Phantom 4, providing consistent power delivery. What we like. This is a high-capacity intelligent flight replacement battery designed for the DJI Phantom 4 series. It offers a significant flight time and features built-in LED indicators for easy monitoring. If you're looking to extend your flight sessions or need a reliable spare battery for your Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, or other compatible models, this is a great option. What people say. These batteries offer about 20 minutes of fly time, each. This is the second time I have purchased this product and it works just as expected with good battery life between charges. Returned them because I ordered the wrong ones but they fit the other drone and worked well. Number 1. OSTTFOIN Phantom 4 Series High Capacity Intelligent Flight Battery. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with this high-capacity intelligent battery. It's designed to keep you in the air longer, so you can capture more. Easily check your remaining power with the built-in LED indicator lights. This feature shows you the battery's capacity at a glance, preventing risky low-power flights. This replacement battery is perfectly compatible with a range of DJI Phantom 4 series drones. It also works seamlessly with the original charger. Fly with confidence thanks to intelligent self-discharge, overcharge, and discharge protection. These safety features ensure reliable performance every time. This battery comes pre-charged to 30% for your convenience. We recommend a full charge and a test flight before your first adventure to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This high-capacity intelligent flight battery is a perfect replacement for your DJI Phantom 4 series drone. It provides ample flight time and includes multiple protection features for safe operation. If you need to maximize your flight duration or require a dependable backup battery for your Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, or similar models, consider this option. What people say. The Phantom 4 is a fantastic drone for beginners and experienced pilots alike, offering a stable flight experience and excellent camera quality. Its intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me and Waypoint navigation, make capturing professional-looking footage effortless. The obstacle avoidance system provides an added layer of safety, reducing the risk of crashes and making it more forgiving for new users. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.